Hi, it's Gina from WTI. Are you wanting to start cutting hair at home but are afraid you're going to make a mistake and your family members will come out looking horrible? I'm so glad that I bought these gentlemen's barbershop clippers because they have been so easy to use and I don't destroy my husband's hair. All right, so the kit comes with several different guards that you can use depending on what level of haircut you want to give. And one of my favorite features is that it's cordless. So it comes with a charging cord so that when you're cutting hair, you don't have to worry about the cord getting in the way. You just pop one of the guards on and then you can see that you can move the lever on the side to either be shorter or a little bit longer. And then there's a switch on the side you just pop on and you can start. So just look at any YouTube video or maybe have a friend show you how to cut hair. One of the things that I love about this is that I can use it for clipping hair, but also for doing the shaving part of the haircut. Even a novice like me, not a professional, can figure out how to do it, so I know that you can too. I'm so glad I have these clippers to use, and my husband is too, because every time I cut his hair, he says, "You did a great job, babe," and I know it's because of these clippers. So I definitely recommend them, and that's my point of view.